Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another morning session. Like before, like every morning we analyze what's going on. Basically from 3:30 today market is going up. Let's see how it's going on daily. Interesting, basically last 2 days couldn't break this green the resistance, go up, that's fine. Then now 2 minutes is closing this session, then we'll be not trading in next 2 minutes, but I think we'll be looking now for the downtrend, like because market is going down. That's the massive again here, couldn't break the 50 SMA, but last 50 minutes you can see 1, 2, 3 times try to break this level in here. That's basically this one, and couldn't. Then after minimum 2 second time breaking, for me is like information that will be downtrend, but unfortunately we couldn't trade on this because ask and bid was so wide. That was nearly 50 pips difference. Then now waiting this minute and we'll enter the trade just after close this session. If ask and bid will be proper like now, for example, which one is good. Okay, and it's 5 seconds to close this candle. You can see straight away then ask and bid is quite, it's not massive down and anything, but try to show all the prices. Oh wow, I can't do this one. Try this. I can't. What's going on? Why can't enter the trade? Then you can see then market is going down, like I was saying. Then now we'll be looking for the downtrend. Last 10 minutes is going down, was going up a little bit in here, but it's reversing, but somehow I still can't attend any trade on this market. I don't know why, but it's very annoying. We'll see extra 5 minutes. If nothing will happen on this, then I will stop for now. Finally was able to reach the target, enter the trade basically on this moment. Then we'll put some, yeah, put on the on 240. Then I'm waiting now for my profit 120. I don't know why ask and bid don't. Today it's something weird is happened. First, last hour ask and bid was about a 50 pips difference. Then no one recommend to enter because that's loose trend straight away. Just a couple of minutes before the session was open, sorry, the session was closed, back to normal, like to the 3 pips and everything. Now first 30 minutes we couldn't even properly enter the trend. On this moment, nearly in here, we'll be on the profit already. If we could enter on this moment in here, then our profit will start from this line in here, for example, probably somewhere in here, but I don't know why. Now we're still waiting. Let's go, getting good. How much are we waiting now? 120. Oh wow, it's getting massive, big. 130, 57 in just a couple of seconds for properly a moment.